This 2024 Grand Design Solitude 380FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, awning, skylight, oven, Colorado Detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, TV, refrigerator, stove top burner, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 380 Florida is 14,866 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.